Student, how are you? I hope you all are well at home and enjoying their study. So student, today we will discuss about the chapter 15, simple present tense. So student, in simple present tense, it talks about the habitual actions and the permanent truth. It refers any action that occur on regular basis or any facts that stands true all time. So student, a simple present tense talks about the habitual action and the permanent truth. So the formation of this tense sentence is subjects plus first form of the verb and plus object. So student, let's see some example of the regular basis. For example, I play football regularly. So it refers the habitual action which I am doing. I play football daily, regularly. So that is simple present tense. And let's see the next example, which is permanent truth, which will be true all the time. For example, sun rises in the east. So student, you are thinking that why here we use first form of the verb. Also here we also use first form of the verb, but here I add the s. But why? Let's see why we add the s when we add the s or es with the verb. Let's see how can we form the simple present tense. So forming simple present tense. So remember that student, with I, we, you, they and all the plural subject, we use this structure of the sentence. Subject plus first form of the verb means original form of the verb plus object. So student, let's see the example to make the thing clear. So student, with I, we, you, they and all other plural subject, we use subject plus first form of the original verb and the object. So let's see here, we. So go is the original form of the verb. We go to play every day. So here birds. So we are talking about the plural subject. So with plural subject, we also use this structure, this rule, subject plus first form of the verb and the object also. So here bird and fly, original form of the verb, fly in the sky. So student, let's see where we use first form of the verb plus s or es, with adding s or es. So let's see. With he, she, it, remember that he, she, it and all other singular subject in the third person, we use this rule, subject plus original form of the verb plus ses or ies plus object. So for example, Suhana, we are talking about the third person, not I or you. We are talking about the third person, Suhana. So Suhana helps. We add here s because this is third person and a singular person. So we use original form of the verb with s, es or ies. So Suhana helps the poor. Next one, he writes a story daily. So here he, we have already told that with he, she, it and the singular subject third person, we use original form of the verb with s or es or ies. So here he writes, we add s here because here is he. So he writes a story daily. So student, as you know that we have already learned in the chapter singular and plural, where we use add as, where where we use es, where we use ies. But I will revise you today also. So let's revise where we add s, where we add es, where we add ies. Student, we should remember the following points while forming the verbs in the simple present tense with the third person singular subjects. So student, in case of most verbs, we add s to original form of the verb. We add only s with the original form of the verb in the most cases. For example, arrive, we add only s, arrives. Talk, we add only s, talks. For example, shine, we add only s, shines. And for example, write, we add only s, writes. And student, when a verb ends with a consonant and a y, such as try. So student, remember that when a verb ends with any consonant and after that any consonant, y also came. So here is any consonant, here is r is a consonant and a y also here. So we replace y with ies. For example, try, here is a consonant and y also. So we replace y, and in the y we add ies, tries. For example, he tries to do best. And fly, so here fly, l is a consonant and also y here, and we replace the y with ies. In place of y we add ies. For example, when we use the birds, then we use fly only. Birds fly. When we use a bird fly, so we use this. A bird flies. So student, let's see the more. And when verbs end with a vowel and a y, such as buy, buy, and play, we add s only. So student, remember that if any verb end with consonant and y, so we replace the y and add the ies. But in cases where the verb end with vowel and y, so in these cases we add only s. For example, by, here is vowel and y, so we add only s here, buys. Okay, play, plays. So student, when verbs end in s, es, ch, sh or x, then we add es. Remember that if any verb end with s, es, ch, double s, sh or x, then we add es in this verb. For example, pass, here double s, so we add es, passes. Here wash, sh, we add es, washes. For example, teach, teach end with ch, so we add also es, teaches. So student, in this video we have learned about the simple present tense, how we form the simple present tense. So student, watch this video perfectly and do your work properly and good and neat handwriting. And dear parents, along with your child at the time of when your child is doing their work. And dear student, if you have any problem, you can call me during school hour also. Thank you.